न्यायाधीश वाल्मिकी मेनेझेस हांणी मुंबई उच्च न्यायालयाचो कायम न्यायाधीश म्हणून सोपूत घेतलो। तशेंच गोंयांतल्या भारत देशपांडे आनी अरुण पेडणेकर हांणी सोपूत घेतलो। ज्येष्ठ न्यायाधीश महेश सोनक हांणी न्यायाधीश वाल्मिकी मेनेझेस हांकां सोपूत दिलो।
I, Valmiki Menezes,
having been appointed a judge of the High Court at Bombay,
having been appointed a judge of the High Court at Bombay,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully, and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
And that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
And that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.